What up, y'all? It's your boy Vic Johnson from the Sac Black Nation Station. Hope you're having a good day, good week, good month, and a good year. As you come in, go ahead and hit that like, hit that share, the subscribe button, hit the notification button if you want to be notified when we got the next videos coming out. Once again, hit that like, hit that share, the subscribe button, hit the notification button if you want to be notified when we got the next videos coming out. Well, as you know, we're coming to the end of the year, and I hope that you guys had already started your Acorn Challenge. You're $5 into your Acorn Challenge account, and you have been running that over this whole year, and that's putting $5 into your Acorn account every single day, 365 days out of the year, and you should be well endowed to take care of everything that you need to take care of this Christmas season. You should be ready and willing to take care of all the things that you need to take care of. Now, we always give updates every time we put $100 into our Acorn account, and we give you updates. And I love giving you guys updates. But before I go get into that, me go ahead and give you an overview as to why we even share this particular type of video and let people know how they can get involved with Acorn. So the reason that we do these particular videos because the average person does not have $400 in their account that they can draw from at any particular time. And we want to be well over and beyond the average person. So we want to have thousands of dollars that we can draw from at any given time to do whatever we need to do, whatever we want to do, and anything that we need to do, especially excuse me, at the end of the year. So that's why we do this. We want that every black man, woman, and child are economically free and you're able to do what you need to do. And we also want you to get involved with the investing in the stock market, ensuring your kids, your grandkids, your youth, how um, the stock market works and how that you can get into the stock market at um, a small amount of money that you can actually start investing, and you don't need thousands of dollars, but a small investment can grow over time. So we kind of tell people to put like $5 every single day into an investment account, which we use as Acorn, and we put into that account every single day, 365 days out of the year, and it grows over time. And now I'm not going to say that you guys have to do what I say. You don't have to do anything that I say. What I say is, I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm going to show you what I do. And we're going to show you how a $5 investment has blossomed over time. And like I said before, we don't want to be the average person. We said that average person doesn't have $400 to put into an investment account, but we don't want to be the average person. And also on top of that, um, we say putting $5 into an investment account is really nothing. But you have a conversation with individuals that will go out there and buy their Hennessy. They will go out there and buy their wraps for their weed. They'll go out there and buy a latte. They'll go out there and buy these other things and lotto tickets, scratchers, and all that. And then you ask them, hey, why don't you go ahead and just at least put $5 into an investment account every single day that grows over time? And they'll tell you, well, I don't trust that. Why do you trust these other things that are not doing anything for you, but you won't trust anything that's going to build wealth for you over time? That's just a question. That's just a question, and I want to present that question to you. Why would you trust these other entities that's not going to produce anything, but you want to trust something that is proven to work over time? So that's just my particular question to you. So every single person that comes into this particular platform, I want you to think about, especially going into 2021, what is it that you want to change? You know that the COVID situation is happening. You know that the government can't come to any type of conclusion on how to help um, the people of America right now, they're probably going to help everybody but individuals that are working. So if you are working, they're not going to help you. If you actually have a job, they're not going to help you. They're just not. You're not going to get a stimulus. You won't get a stimulus check this time around. You might have got one last time, but you won't be getting a stimulus check this time around. So why don't you create a stimulus check for yourself every single year? At the end of the year, you want to be creating a stimulus check for yourself. You don't want to have to wait on the government. You want to have to do anything that involves the government. You want to do everything that you do that involves yourself. So we're going to show you guys where we are right now at putting $5 into an account. And like I tell you, we are going to grow this account continuously. And this is a waste of time because I haven't even put my freaking microphone in. This is stupid.